If you want to learn how to add time on Chess.com, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you are trying to play faster games, add an increment, or choose a specific time control before starting a match, this is super easy once you know where to click. And if this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com and go to the online play page. Once you are there, look at the sidebar and click the play button. This is the main area where you can start a new game and choose your match settings. Next, you will see a time control box. This is usually where the current time setting is displayed, like 10 minutes or another preset. Click that time control box to open the available options. Now, from the list of time options, look for more time controls. Click that option to see additional presets. This is the part that gives you more flexibility, especially if you want a game with extra time added per move. After that, choose a preset that includes an increment. A good example is 3-2, which means each player starts with 3 minutes and gets 2 extra seconds added after every move. If you want more or less time, just pick the preset that fits the kind of game you want to play. Once you have selected the time control you want, double check that the setting looks correct before you begin. This is important because the time control will affect the entire match. If you want a fast bullet game, a relaxed rapid game, or something with increment, this is where you choose it. When everything is set, click play to start the game. Chess.com will now launch the match using the time control you selected, and the clock will begin as soon as the game starts. So, just to recap, you open chess.com, click play, choose the time control box, select more time controls, pick a preset like 3x2, and then click play again to begin. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.